Hello and welcome to the lecture on additional tags. So let's look some of the additional tags that we have. I'm going to create a folder called additional tags. Okay, I'm going to copy paste the files here. Let's open this up and view some of the additional tags we have. You can even double click to open the output. Alright, so this page basically have some additional tags which we haven't discussed till now. But if you look at all the text like heading, links, embedding an image, article, starting, header, paragraph, then the footer, then having the footer and the line, all these things. Okay, so what are the additional tags? Let's look at it. So here are the additional tags in the HTML. One is called as header, one is called as navigation, one is called as a side, one is called as section, and one is called as footer. Okay, so how do you read this? If you read the HTML page, right? If you read the HTML page, you have something called as header, right? You have something called as header. Then you also have some navigation attached to it. You have some navigation, right? Then you have some a side. A side is the sidebar. Obviously, the sidebars and all those things is not visible because that is handled with CSS. So you will not be able to see sidebars and all those things. When we go to CSS, we will try to align all these things together. So you have to understand that HTML is given some tags which you can describe the parts of an HTML page. What could be the parts? Header is one part, navigation is one part, then sidebar is one part. Then apart from that, you have your section which we have looked at in the previous section, article, header, and then you have your footer. Then you can also have footer as showing as the footer in the bottom. Well, this is how we organize our HTML page, right? If you're writing a website, you definitely have this kind of components. You will have an header and footer for sure, right? And you will have, maybe you have an sidebars, left sidebar or right sidebar or both the sidebars. You'll definitely have the navigation on the website, and then you will also have some sections. If you're writing an article, blog, or you want to display some section of text, then you will be using a section tag. Okay, so the additional tags that I want to show you is header, which is used to describe the header, navigation, which is navigation on the top, a side, which is nothing but the sidebar, section is the main content, and footer is the footer section. So these are the HTML tags already available for us to use, and this actually gives a cleaner readability of your HTML code as well. When you write like this, this is footer. If you imagine, if you make everything as p, right, everything as div or everything as a span, it's really hard to understand what section you're talking about. But you're using this kind of notation like a side, navigation, nav, header, and then footer, you at least know from the text itself what is the purpose of these tags and which section of the HTML page you're actually trying to write. Okay, so it's very important to understand, if you have such kind of structures in your HTML page, it is easy for future reusability and also extendability. So these are the 5 elements I want to show you as a part of additional tags. And make sure when you write HTML page, it's readable and it's extendable and it's basically easy to understand, right? When you want to make a change, it should be really easy for you to make a change. Alright, so these are the 5 tags of the HTML, and I'll see you in the next one.